The world's most amazing robots you need to know about robots are no longer just the stuff of science fiction. Today, they're integral to our lives, reshaping industries, advancing exploration, and even entering our homes. From robots that can perform parkour to those that cook gourmet meals, the possibilities seem limitless. So, let's dive into the world of robotics and explore 5 of the most amazing robots that are redefining what's possible. 1. Sophia. The humanoid robot. Our first stop is Sophia, a robot so human-like, it's easy to forget she's a machine. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. With her lifelike facial expressions, Sophia has captured global attention. She can hold intelligent conversations, crack jokes, and even express emotions through her facial movements. Sophia has spoken at high-profile conferences, graced international talk shows, and most notably, became the first robot to be granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia in 2017. But what sets Sophia apart isn't just her looks or fame, it's her purpose. Hanson Robotics designed her to assist in fields like education, healthcare, and customer service, symbolizing the future of human-robot collaboration. While she's still evolving, Sophia represents a giant leap forward in our quest to create robots that can understand and interact with us on a human level. 2. Atlas, the agile robot by Boston Dynamics. Next, we have Atlas, a robot that redefines physical agility. Created by the robotics experts at Boston Dynamics, Atlas is a humanoid robot that can run, jump, perform backflips, and even navigate obstacle courses with parkour-like precision. Watching Atlas in action feels like watching a sci-fi movie come to life. Its fluid movements and incredible balance make it seem almost alive. But Atlas isn't just about flashy acrobatics, it's designed for practical applications, such as search and rescue missions in dangerous or disaster-prone areas. Imagine a robot that can climb through rubble or carry supplies to places too risky for humans to venture. Atlas showcases the potential of robotics to enhance safety and efficiency, particularly in high-stakes environments. And who knows, one day, Atlas-like robots might be our partners in exploration or even construction. Three. Moley Kitchen Robot, your personal chef from high-tech agility to everyday convenience. Let's turn to the Moley Kitchen Robot, the world's first fully automated robotic chef. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a robot prepare a restaurant-quality meal for you. That's exactly what Moley offers. This ingenious creation combines robotic arms, advanced AI, and a vast recipe library to create a cooking system capable of everything from chopping vegetables to plating a gourmet dish. It's programmed with over 5,000 recipes, and it can even learn new ones. Plus, it keeps the kitchen spotless, making it every home cook's dream. But Moley isn't just a luxury gadget, it's part of a broader trend towards smart home automation. While it may be a while before these robots are commonplace, Moley shows us how robotics can revolutionize the way we cook and think about food. Four. Perseverance Rover, the Martian explorer leaving Earth behind. Let's journey to Mars with NASA's Perseverance Rover, a robot that's more than just a machine, it's a pioneer. Designed to explore the red planet, Perseverance is on a mission to search for signs of ancient life, study the planet's geology, and collect samples for future return to Earth. Perseverance is packed with cutting-edge technology, including cameras, lasers, and even a drill. But what makes this robot truly special is its companion, Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on another planet. Together, they're helping scientists understand Mars in ways never before possible. Perseverance is also paving the way for human exploration of Mars. By studying the planet's climate and preparing for future missions, this robotic explorer is bringing us closer to the dream of sending humans to the Red Planet. Five. Spot, the robotic dog. Finally, we have Spot, another remarkable creation from Boston Dynamics. Unlike the humanoid Atlas, Spot is a four-legged robot designed to mimic the movements of a dog. But don't let its cute appearance fool you. Spot is a powerhouse of functionality. Spot can climb stairs, open doors, and navigate challenging terrains, making it an ideal companion for industries like construction, surveillance, and even healthcare. For example, Spot has been used to inspect hazardous sites, monitor factory conditions, and even perform tasks in hospitals. What's more, Spot has a playful side. You've probably seen viral videos of Spot dancing to music, showcasing not just its technical capabilities, but also its potential for entertainment and engagement. With its versatility, Spot proves that robots don't just have to be practical, they can be fun too. From humanoid robots like Sophia that blur the line between human and machine, to Mars explorers like Perseverance, these incredible robots are pushing the boundaries of technology and imagination. They remind us of how far we've come and hint at the limitless possibilities of what's ahead. As robots continue to evolve, they're not just transforming industries, they're transforming our lives. So whether it's in your kitchen, on another planet, or navigating disaster zones, robots are no longer just tools, they're partners in building a better future. Let us know in the comments which robot amazed you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible stories about innovation and progress. Until next time, keep exploring and let the future inspire you.